Hi, welcome to Simple or Not Kitchen. My name is Melissa, and today I am using 1 bag of chocolate chips to create 2 delicious chocolate sauces. These sauces are so delicious, and each one only has a few ingredients. Our first sauce is a really decadent, creamy peanut butter chocolate sauce, and we're going to combine equal parts peanut butter and chocolate chips. I'm using a cup of each, and then to that we're going to add just a few tablespoons of coconut oil. And we are going to melt all this together over a double boiler. I have the water in my double boiler boiling, so this only takes a few minutes. You could probably do it in the microwave, but I really like using a double boiler for melting chocolate. And look at how smooth that becomes. It's so delicious. This creamy peanut buttery sauce is so good over ice cream. It's also good, even as added to a little bit of hot chocolate or as a dipping sauce for fruits. And so I'm going to go ahead and just pour it into a glass container, and that's it. It's so simple. You can keep this in the refrigerator. I'm just going to cover it. I lost the top for this particular jar, so I'm using one of my little plastic covers, and it's that simple. For our second sauce, we're also going to be using 1 cup of chocolate chips. This time we're going to be using 2 tablespoons of butter and 1 can of sweetened condensed milk. We're going to combine all that together, and then it's back to the double boiler. So this second sauce is just a classic hot fudge sauce. It's perfect over ice cream, or just the first sauce, it has so many different uses. You can put it on a charcuterie board that you make with fruit and crackers and pretzels. Oh my gosh, this is really good if you dip pretzels into it. But this one will thicken a little bit more once it cools. But that's okay when you want to use it as a hot fudge sauce. You just take it out and microwave just small portions of it, and then yum, yum. You can put it over ice cream or also use it in hot chocolate. It is just really, really good. And so this sauce only takes just a few minutes as well. As you can see, the water in my double boiler is boiling, so this only takes a few minutes, and then when it's nice and smooth and creamy, it's done. I just love homemade chocolate sauces. They're so much better homemade than store-bought, and this hot fudge sauce, it's better than anything you could buy in a store. It's really, really delicious, and it's versatile as well, and you see how easy it is to make. It's just a matter of just melting some chocolate and adding some nice sweetened condensed milk and some butter, and it's really delicious. And this will last in the refrigerator for quite some time. So I'm going to go ahead and pour that into a storage container, and that's it. If you try either one of these recipes, or you try both of them, or if you have another recipe that you'd like me to try, let me know. I'd really like to hear your feedback. And as always, thank you so much for watching Simple or Not Kitchen. More recipes, articles, and video are at PenelCentral.com.